for a family portrait, you know. And I realized that my shyness and my fear was really coming from my own misunderstanding as to how to effectively communicate with people. And that being myself and speaking without the fear of retribution was the best way to win people over and bring them to my side. So I decided to get involved with some public speaking courses, heavily involved in Toastmasters International. I don't know if we have a club here at Pace University, but we are throughout the world, and I know that academia is one of our key focal points, as well as corporate America. And once I went through the program and kind of lost my stage fright, so to speak, I found that I was becoming more effective in promoting myself. And learning the art of self-promotion, given all the tools we have at our disposal, it's certainly worth taking the time to learn public speaking, how to present ideas and transfer your enthusiasm and your passion to other people. That's sales, that's marketing, that's the world we live in today. And we certainly are living in the age of the attention economy, where attention is the new currency of business. I don't know if you're having trouble like I am getting people to pay attention for any length of time is an uphill battle with so many things going on, and smartphones, internet access on demand anywhere. It's difficult to get people to pay attention. So I wanted to be an effective communicator, and I saw that as my mission, and began to work with Professor Markovitz. We've got an exciting class for sales and marketing communications, and we have a program called the Gold Call. Now, the way I look at dialogue today is pretty much like coloring in a book. If you color outside the lines in dialogue, chances are pretty good that people are going to lose interest in you rather quickly. Attention evaporates at room temperature. It fleets almost like smoke, and it's gone. So we have our work cut out for us to speak clearly and articulately in order to get people's attention and hold it long enough till we get to the good part, the value of what's being marketed, what's being sold. So our Gold Call program, and we've had about a couple of hundred students come through the course over these past semesters, and some of them we've successfully placed in some of our corporate sponsors, such as the New York Mets, United Parcel Service, we've had BNY Mellon, we've had Bank of America, and at any rate, it gives me a great deal of satisfaction to see people who came in not understanding the value and the power of verbal communication skills to come in and then see direct sales and a marketing career as a path to pursue. And just to summarize, is that in corporate America, well, let me preface by saying this. Probably half of you, if not 2/3, okay, are going to, and I hate to use this word, but you're going to wind up in sales, okay? It's the only career I can think of where you wind up in it, okay? Here at the Lubin School, we have a focus on developing talent for direct sales positions, and we're very proud of that. But when you wind up in sales, it's a good thing, because people that get into direct sales, whether it be an inside sales position or an outside sales position, are going to make about 22 to 28% more than someone who is just looking to be an administrator or another cog in the machine, so to speak. So if you're thinking about promoting yourself, passing an interview, have any aspirations for taking control of your own destiny and charting your own course in this life and going out and making something of yourself, I would impose upon you to acquire the skills that it takes to plant your stake in the ground and get people to recognize you for good reason. So at any rate, certainly here to answer some questions that you have. I'm just going to close out by saying this. Now, I've been involved with the school for a while, but I do know a lot of people who have graduated from the Lubin School of Business. They are senior executives in corporate America. They're on Wall Street, they're on Main Street, and there are thousands of them who own companies or have executive level positions in Fortune 1000 companies. If you are interested in pursuing a career in sales or inside sales, in marketing as well, let's not forget that, please reach out to me or Professor Markovitz, and I'd be more than happy to speak with you and perhaps get you an introduction somewhere, all right? So Uncle Pete is here to help, and thank you for paying attention to me.